So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MD. So many of you have been asking me regarding the actual iPhone, and many of you want to know, well, first of all, how can you actually screen record the actual screen and also put your voice on it, as you've seen many of my videos, which I do this. So basically, you go downwards, you download the control center, and if you haven't seen this button right here, this button is the actual recording button. Now, if you haven't got it, what you gotta do is basically just add it here, add control and add it. And once you've added it, you just click here and you see here it says microphone on. So you can turn it on and off. Normally by default it's off. So basically when you turn it on, basically you're gonna record the screen that you've got here. So you see here the countdown, and now it will start recording everything that you see right here. Now, if you start recording the screen or the video that you wanna do, and once you've finished, you click here and it will automatically save it into your gallery. Now, many of you have been asking me now if you wanna basically record everything that you've got here in the actual video, then you just turn it off. If you want to record your voice, you turn it on. It's that easy, that simple. Now, as always, if you've got any questions, sure, let me know in the comments below, and thank you very much for watching.